Good morning, hello and welcome everyone. Myself Sandeep. Welcome to Quick Success. We glad you are here. Please follow us on social media. Today's lesson: tissue, like animal and plant tissue. Let's start. Introduction: a group of cell. This is group of cell. This cell size have similar. These cells are work together and accomplish a particular function known as tissue. These cells work together and accomplish a particular function called tissue. All tissue, particular function called organ, and organ are similar and structural work together, that is called organ system, like respiratory system, reproductive system, and other organ system. Definition of tissue: a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to accomplish a particular function known as tissue. This is the definition of tissue. Next, tissues are categorized as plant tissue, second animal tissue. Two categories are found. At first, we discuss about plant tissue. Plant tissue, this is plant tissue. Following are the microscopic structure. Following are the major types of plant tissue: meristematic tissue, permanent tissue. Permanent tissue are various types like simple permanent tissue, এক নম্বর parenchyma, 2 নম্বর collenchyma, third sclerenchyma, and fourth epidermis. This is all are permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue are xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are complex permanent tissue. This is the plant tissue types, major types. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue mainly consists of actively dividing cell and helps in increasing the length and thickening the stem of plant. This is the plant figure. This is the apical meristems, intercalary meristems, and lateral meristems. The meristems tissue mainly consists of actively dividing cells. This part consists of many plant cells and that divided and help increasing the length and thickening of stem in plants. Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue commonly present in the primary growth region of plant. For example, in the tips of stem or root. Third point, depending on the region where the meristematic tissue are found. Meristematic tissue are classified as apical, lateral, and intercalary. Apical, lateral, and intercalary part. Apical meristems, as shown in the above image, is present at the growing tips of stem and roots and helps in their growth. Lateral meristems is found in stem of or root region and helps in their growth. Intercalary meristems are found at the base of the leaves. Found at the base of the leaves or internodes or twigs and helps in growth. All meristematic tissue helps in increasing growth, dividing of cell like plant cell. Next, permanent tissue. Cells are meristematic tissue later differentiate to form different type of permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is further categorized as simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simplex permanent tissue have no types, but simple permanent tissue further categorized parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, epidermis. Basic types of plant tissue: parenchyma tissue, collenchyma tissue, and sclerenchyma tissue. Parenchyma tissue, long, lengthwise. This is lengthwise. This is lengthwise. This is cross section. This is cross section. Intracellular space. This is intracellular space. This is the cell wall. This is stone cell. This is fiber. This is lumen. Plant cell wall with lignin. Three basic types of plant tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma tissue provides support to plants and store foods. Sometimes parenchyma tissue contains chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis. In such a condition, it is known as collenchyma. The collenchyma tissue provides flexibility to plant. This is the flexibility, and provides mechanical support to plant. Parenchyma tissue provides support to plant and store food. This is the features or characteristic of this type of tissue. Sometimes parenchyma tissue contains chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis. This is the characteristic of parenchyma tissue. In such condition known as collenchyma, the large air cavities which are present in parenchyma of aquatic plant. Parenchyma tissue consists air vacuoles. This type of tissue found on aquatic plant. Large air cavities found which is present in parenchyma of aquatic plant give buoyancy to the plant and help them float, also known as arenchyma. Floating plants also consist parenchyma tissue. This parenchyma tissue also called arenchyma. Arenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. The sclerenchyma tissue makes the plant hard and stiff. For example, the husks of a coconut made up of sclerenchymatous tissue. The cell of sclerenchyma tissue, normally dead cell. The outermost layer of cell is known as epidermis. Outermost layer. of cell is epidermis. This is the parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma. All are consist of various features. This is the simple plant and cross section of xylem phloem. This is the vascular tissue, xylem phloem. This is ground tissue. This is dermal tissue. Epidermis. The epidermis is usually made up of single layer of cell. The entire surface of a plant has the outer covering of epidermis, which protect all the part of the plant. Complex permanent tissue. The complex tissue normally consists of more than one type of cell which work together as a unit. Complex tissue help in transportation by carrying organic material, water and minerals up and down in the plants. Okay? Complex permanent tissue categorized as xylem and phloem. This is the xylem. This is the phloem. This is end wall. This is sheath tube. This is companion cell. This is xylem. This is phloem. Xylem normally consists of trachea vesicles, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber. Xylem is accountable for the condition of water and mineral ion salt. Phloem normally made up of 4 types of element. Sheath tubes, companion cells, phloem fiber and phloem parenchyma. Phloem tissue transport food and leaves to other parts of the plants. Animal tissue. The tissue found in animals have comparatively some different properties than the plant tissue. Animal tissues are divided as epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue are 4 types: simple cuboidal, simple squamous, simple columnar, stratified squamous. Epithelial tissue are covering and protective in animal body. Epithelial tissue covers almost all organs and cavities within the body. Epithelial tissue also form a barrier to keep different body systems. Epithelial tissue cells are closely packed and form a continuous layer. This is the simple cuboidal, simple squamous, simple columnar and stratified squamous tissue. All are epithelium tissue. Connective tissue. Connective tissue consists of fat cell, lymphocyte, macrophage, capillary. This is macrophage, this is fat cell, this is mast cell, elastic fiber, collagen fiber, reticular fiber, melanocyte. Connective tissue are made up of the cell. Those are separated by non-living material, also known as an extracellular matrix. This matrix could be either liquid or rigid. Connective tissue are further divided as fibrous connective tissue, skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. Tendon are the example of fibrous connective tissue. Bone is an example of a skeletal connective tissue. Bone forms the framework and provides support to the body. Blood is an example of a fluid connective tissue. Blood has a fluid liquid matrix known as plasma. In plasma, the red blood cell RBC, the white blood cell WBC, and the platelet are remaining suspended. Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. This is muscle tissue. Muscular tissue largely consists of elongated cell and also known as muscular fiber. The muscular tissue is accountable for the movement in our body. The muscular tissue contains special proteins known as contractile proteins, and these proteins help in contraction and relaxation and supports free movement. This is nervous tissue. The brain, the spinal cord, the nerves, all are composed of the nervous tissue. Cells of the nervous tissue are extremely particular and sensitive for being stimulated and then transmitting the simultaneous swiftly from one place to another within the body. The cells of nervous tissue are known as nerve cell or neurons. Nerve impulses allow us to move our muscles whereas we want to do. This is the dendrite, this is stoma, this is axon, this is myelin sheath, this is Schwann cell, this is axon terminal. All are nervous tissue. Thank you. We see next video. Thank you all. Please support quick success. Achieve your goal. Like, share, subscribe and follow social media. Thank you.